Alright, so the first standard here is the mastery standard, and what you'll see on here is just the basics of how we set up trig functions. So it's essential that we know A, O, and H in proximate to the angle. Didn't really see any errors on that. What came here next is showing us that we can actually use those sides to mean something. So tangent here, if I marked on here, this is the opposite side and the adjacent side. So that's how Mr. Emmerman wrote 3 out of 4. And then if we don't know the angle, but we ended up here having the ratio, we can go second tan 3 divided by 4 to get this number right here. And that's rounded with our rounding rules. Okay. The same thing here. This time we have the degree, but we know it's tangent because it's still O and A. When x is in the bottom, you can either choose to cross multiply, or people, in a sense, flip one side of the fraction to flip the other, and we should end up with this number. This time we have opposite and hypotenuse, so it's sine. This is solved if one is the first way. Mr. Emmerman used a shortcut here. A lot of people didn't see this shortcut from another unit. That's fine. Right here, if I'm going to try to define this side, I would write, let's see, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse. So I could write sine of 60 equals r over 40. And you end up multiplying both sides by 40 to get the answer. Right here of 20 radical 3. If we do that all in decimal, so sine 60 times 40, we get 34.64 as that side length. Okay? And then here the 30 was just 180 minus 60 minus 90 gives us 30 for the side, and that's our mastery standard.